Hello everyone, this is Vera from CATEKCNC CNC. I'm honored to introduce this 7 and 10 CNC router for you. You can use it to process various furniture and make advertisements and other products. We have equipped this machine with vacuum adsorption table with 7 partitions and 28 valves. Each partition is equipped with an independent switch which can be adjusted according to the size of the plate. For the spindle, we use a 9 kW high-speed automatic tool-changing spindle, which can meet different processing needs. It is equipped with a linear tool magazine with 12 tools, ISO 32 handle, ER 32 tool holders. The maximum diameter of the tool is 20 mm. Of course, you can also choose 8 or 16 tools magazine. During processing, the tools are automatically changed according to the processing requirements of the drawing. For tool calibration, we have equipped the machine with an automatic tool sensor. Regardless of the length of the tool, it can be calibrated at one click, and manual calibration is no longer required. The bed frame is welded with thickened square steel, and 8 mm steel plate is laid on the surface. After annealing and vibration aging treatment, a 5-axis gantry milling machine is used to process the guide rails, rack mounting surfaces, and workbench surfaces. We use 1.5 kW bus absolute value servo motor for the machine's drive system, which has high response speed and reliability, and is easy to maintain. The XY axis servo motor is used with Japanese Shinpo reducer, and the moving speed can reach 100,000 mm per minute. We also equipped the machine with 4+3 positioning cylinders. Of course, the control of all this perfect coordination and operation is separable from the CNC system. We use Taiwan LNC CNC system, which is compatible with various G-code files in ACTP formats. The machine is equipped with automatic lubrication system and the central dust collection system with double barrel dust collector. Next, I will introduce to you how this ATC CNC router works automatically. Okay, the above is the ATC CNC router I introduced to you. I look forward to seeing you next time.